Lorenzo, come and hold my hand. Right, come on then. Oh, you're going to be my Robin? Yeah! Yeah, enjoy the video. Enjoying the video?
Superstar signing. Aaron, how are we doing?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. How are we today?
Very well, thank you. So we're with you again today. Just tell the fans what's the job today, what we got on our hands.
So we're today here in Harrow, cleaning this the roof here on this warehouse. First of all, we're going to apply some chemicals, kill all the algae, the lichen, the mould, the dew, just to loosen it up as well, just so it's easier for us to give it a good steam clean as well. After we've treated it, we're going to get up there with the cherry picker. We've got a nice little HR12 cherry picker, what they supplied for us. Look at the size of that thing.
Lovely.
Lovely, mate. Does the work. But we're going to get up there after once we applied the treatment and give it a good steam clean.
Nice. So we're just working on this one side of the roof today, you reckon? Get it all done?
This one side today. We've done the other side yesterday, so we got that complete yesterday. We're going to do this one today.
And how did it come up the other side? Looking good?
It come up really nice, yeah.
Yeah.
I can show you around there later, or you can just after and before photos on this one, you'll see the difference.
Who's your tag team partner today, my friend?
Right, this is my man Lorenzo. Come over here, Lorenzo. This is my tag team partner today. Come here.
He's a man of few words, isn't he?
Very few words. Look at him, my man Lorenzo.
He's your sidekick, yeah, Batman and Robin today,
Batman
is
and Robin. Oh, you're going to be my Robin? Yeah. No, he's my partner today. He's on the ground and you're making sure everything runs smoothly. He's a top bloke.
So you'll be up top, obviously doing all the pressure washing.
I'll be doing hard graft, you know, like usual. He'll be down here watching, making sure everything's running smoothly, isn't he, mate?
That's good, man.
So,
yeah. You need people like Lorenzo, didn't you?
Mate, we do, yeah, he's a good grafter, mate. He gets stuck in. Man of very few words, this guy, but...
A few words, but a lot of work, yeah.
That's it, mate. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. Like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for all the support you give us from all the team.
So Aaron's just skillfully manoeuvring the cherry picker. Small cherry picker today, but he's just manoeuvring it to get in that little gap there to finish off the last section of this roof. He's been up there non-stop grafting. So it's been another great job here from Harrow and LBC, Team LBC. Just a little section to go. And that'll be job done for the day. We're nearly there. We're nearly there, people. Aaron, how's your spirit, brother?
Very high right now, mate.
Good, good.
Home stretch, buddy.
Home stretch.